Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Xbox disconnected from cloud gaming session. So first or step 1 checks Xbox cloud gaming server status. Visit the Xbox status page and go to the Xbox status page to check if there are any ongoing issues with cloud gaming or Xbox services. Step 2, test your internet connection. You can run a speed test. Use a tool like Speed Test to check your connection. Recommended speeds minimum 10 Mbps, recommended 20 Mbps or higher as much as possible. Switch to wired connection or you can restart your router. Next is you can update the Xbox app or browser using the Xbox application. You have to make sure that you're using the latest version of this application, or when using a web browser, ensure your browser is updated to the latest version. Recommended browsers are Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Safari. Step 5, check device compatibility. Ensure the device you're using meets the requirements for Xbox clouding as stated below. Operating system, browser support, and the controller support. Next is disable VPN or proxy. If you're using VPN or proxy, disable it. This can interfere with Xbox cloud gaming and cause disconnections. Lastly is contact Xbox support. If none of these above steps work, visit the Xbox support page, open a chat or submit a ticket for help. Provide information as much as possible if they ask your device type, internet speed, the game you are playing, and any error messages you receive. And basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.